Hi Mary, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You had inquired about this specific automobile that we have right now on our lot. Let's get right to it. This will give you a great overview of the car. This Limited has very sporty alloy wheels. Now when you come through the back, there is ample room for 3 passengers, and that's a comfortable leather seating. Up on the steering wheel, for your safety and convenience, you've got volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. This also has a 3-way selective steering. Hey, we will go more into that whenever we meet. This trip button toggles throughout the display in the back, keeping everything at your fingertips. This also comes equipped with auxiliary iPod USB. CD player, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months. In addition, it also has a wonderful backup camera. But that's not the best feature of it all. It is the America's Best warranty. There's a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. Now, if that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, Mary, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion. Mary, you have a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I am your personal sales associate. My cell number is 205-907-4700. Or you can reach me at the office at 205-380-6250. Again, that's Shannon, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron, Mary, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.